Okay, let's check the power steering oil. This truck is making brr brr. When you find that your car starts making that noise, it's the power steering. Well, we need to check it to make sure. First of all, be careful when getting up. Look there where get up carefully. Don't hurt yourselves. Okay.
Marcy, safety first, okay? It looks like this part of the fence is loose. It's fine.
Okay. Here we are. Loosening the power steering cap. Very good. Very good. That's it. Yes. We are. It says here where it says add. Okay. ADD. The add. Okay. Well, let's pour it in. Look, here is this one and this one. It's called Preston Power Steering. Okay. It's the Preston brand, power steering brand. That's what we're going to add. Okay. We add it. Add it carefully. There. Very well. Let's put it in to recheck. Let me add a little more. Very well. Let's see. You know what? I'm going to bring something to clean the dipstick. Look, if you find yourself in a case where there is nothing to clean with, you're on the road, not near a professional place. Hey, work with what you can, okay? Work with what you can. Anything is good. Okay. In this case, look, I used a receipt. Okay. Just make sure it's not important because then you won't have to. Okay. It's just a matter of using whatever we have to work in life. Okay. Look, let's check again to see how it is. Very well. We insert it to check. Let's check. Okay. Very well. We are, let's see, make sure you always have to clean it well to ensure it is at the correct level. Okay, let's check. We check once more. Okay. Very well. You probably won't notice it because the new oil always looks lighter. Well, I can see here that it's perfect. It stayed on the line, the top line where it marks. And that's it, guys. And that's how it's done. Until next time.